Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fix internet latency for gaming. So no more rubber banding, no more teleporting enemies, no more dying because your game was half a second behind. Let's get into it. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. If you absolutely have to stay on Wi-Fi, at least make sure you're on the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz. Most modern routers broadcast two separate signals, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range, but it's extremely crowded because every device in your home plus your neighbor's devices all compete on the same frequencies, which spikes your latency. The 5 GHz band is much less congested, delivers faster speeds, and gives you significantly lower ping. Go into your Wi-Fi settings on your gaming device and connect specifically to the 5 GHz network. It usually has a label like your network name followed by 5G or 5 GHz. Any app or device on your network that's using the internet while you're gaming is stealing bandwidth and pushing your latency up. Before you launch your game, pause all downloads and updates on your PC or console, close streaming apps, turn off cloud backup services like Dropbox or OneDrive, and if other people in your house are watching Netflix or on video calls while you're gaming, that's going to hurt your ping too. The more bandwidth you can free up for your game alone, the lower and more stable your latency will be. You'd be surprised how much of a difference this makes, especially if you're on a slower broadband connection. Your DNS server is basically the phone book your internet uses to connect to servers. If your internet provider's default DNS is slow, it adds unnecessary delay to every connection your PC makes, including game servers. Switching to a faster DNS like Google's or Cloudflare's is completely free and takes 2 minutes. On Windows, press the Windows key, search for Network Settings, click Change Adapter Options, right-click your connection, and go to Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and hit Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, and enter 8.8.8.8 as your primary and 8.8.4.4 as your secondary. Those are Google's DNS servers. Or use 1.1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.0.1 for Cloudflare, which is actually even faster. Hit OK and restart your PC. Many people notice an immediate drop in latency after this. QoS stands for Quality of Service, and it's a setting inside your router that tells it to give your gaming traffic priority over everything else on the network. So even if someone is downloading a huge file or streaming 4K video at the same time, your game gets the best connection first and your latency stays low. To enable it, open your browser and type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in using the credentials printed on the bottom of your router. Look for the QoS setting under Advanced or Wireless Settings and turn it on. Then add your gaming device to the priority list. This is especially effective in busy households with lots of people sharing the same internet. Outdated firmware on your router and outdated network drivers on your PC can both quietly increase your latency without you even realizing it. For your router, log into its admin panel like we just talked about and look for a firmware update section. Update it if one is available. For your PC, right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your adapter, and hit Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically. Once both are updated, restart everything and test your ping again. Firmware updates in particular can make a surprisingly big difference. A couple of final things worth knowing. If your router is more than 4 or 5 years old, it might simply not be powerful enough to handle modern internet demands. Upgrading to a newer Wi-Fi 6 router can make a real difference, especially in a busy home. Also, if you've tried everything and your latency is still consistently high, the problem might be on your internet provider side. Run a speed test at speedtest.net and check your ping result. If it's high even outside of gaming, it's time to call your ISP or consider switching providers. And that's it. 8 solid ways to fix your gaming latency. Work through them one by one, and your ping will thank you. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Drop a comment letting me know which fix worked for you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.